This is what we're calling the Blur keyboard. Our whole idea for this was to basically take something with really bad graphics in a video game and put it into real life. What's really cool is if you look at it from an angle, you get the crisp graphics program logo, but up on top it looks like, you know, the worst PS1 graphics game you've ever played in your life. So it took a while to get there. These are the most recent sample rounds. You can kind of see the iterations. There was a lot of weird blending and tinkering that we had to do to get the original effect, to get it to not just look like some sort of Minecraft keyboard that we would have done in the past. But yeah, we're super proud of this. Definitely one of those things when people look at it, it messes with their mind a little bit. And I mean, that's what we want to do. We kind of want to bring video games into the real world in whatever way that we can.